So today we have a 7-set book. So this is the Lord of the Rings series. So you guys might have read this or even watched the movies. So I for myself first watched the movies and then only started reading the books. So same, both of them. So I'll start with introducing. Here we have the 7 books and this series is written by J.R.R. Tolkien. So, a bit hard to take this out. Okay, so this is first. I'll keep it to this side so you guys can see. So the first book is The Fellowship of the Ring, Book 1, The Ring Sets Out. So we have some of the pages. So now I'll read the prologue. In a sleepy village in the Shire, a young hobbit is entrusted with an immense task. Frodo Baggins must make a perilous journey across Middle-earth. So I'll put the book back inside the box. Book 2 is The Fellowship of the Ring, Part 2, The Ring Goes South. Frodo continues his quest to destroy the ruling Ring of Power, the only thing that prevents the Dark Lord's evil dominion. Back in the box. Off you go. Book 3 is The Two Towers. Book 3, The Treason of Isengard. The company of the ring is sundered. Frodo and Sam must journey alone down the great river Angbin. Book 4 is The Two Towers. Book 4, The Ring Goes East. A mysterious creeping figure follows Frodo and Sam as they reach for the path to Mordor. So Book 5 is The Return of the King. Book 5, The War of the Ring. The armies of the Dark Lord are massing as his evil shadow spreads ever wider. Men, dwarves, and elves unite to do battle against dark. So Book 6 is The Return of the Ring. Book 6, The End of the Third Age. Frodo and Sam struggle further into Mordor as their heroic quest to destroy the One King forever lasts. I'll keep this to this side because I think the last book will be a bit harder to drop inside. Appendices, the Book 7. 3 rings for the Elven kings under the sky, 7 for the dwarf lords in their halls of stone, 9 for mortal men doomed to die, 1 for the Dark Lord in his dark throne. In the land of Mordor where the shadows lie, 1 ring is to rule them all. 1 ring is to find them, 1 ring to bind them, and all darkness to bind them. In the land of Mordor where the shadows lie. So, give me a second to put this book inside. Okay, so here is the full series. We have the box. So look forward for my other videos and each of these books will be reviewed. So, subscribe, comment, click that bell icon over there, visit my FB page and share this video with your bookworm friends. Bye! See you with another video.